So this story is called Dolina's Longevity. I had a friend named Dolina MacKinnon, and she was born in 1923 in a village in North Uist called Solace. And North Uist is, of course, one of the Hebrides where Gaelic is still the language of daily life. And Dolina grew up there. And after the war, after World War II, she married a Norwegian guy called Mikkelsen. And in all the years I knew Dolina, she never mentioned his first name. I just knew him as Mikkelsen. And so they were married after the war, and they emigrated to Canada and settled on the prairies, and in a town with lots of Norwegian immigrants. And that's where they raised their family. And in, mid to late 90s, I wish I could remember exactly which year, it might have been 97 or 98, was when I met Dolina, because she had had her fill of life on the prairie, and she moved out to Vancouver, where there were people from her home. And anyway, she wasn't on the prairie anymore. And that's where I met her. I met her at a burnt supper in White Rock, and it was either 97 or 98. And it was kinship, instant kinship, on site. And we maintained a friendship for years and years and years, and we visited each other and talked on the phone. And I learned a tremendous amount about Gaelic and about what life was like for her growing up. And as the years went on, she began to have health issues, and there were times when she just needed to talk about them. And I was happy to lend a sympathetic ear. I mean, it's part of the compact between generations. And one particular night, I'll never forget, one particular night, she said to me, "Oh, Karsana Hamihas Biohanya Date Sakam. Stohaga de Huminara Emahinston, Snachede Jonach, Mochrunjuhuk, Suhompano Hachka." Oh, Seamus, why am I still alive? I have no idea. Perhaps I've offended my ancestors. And they're not willing to take me into their life. To which I replied, "Jolina mehdad, fasu fer nidavach, biu biog batuk." Those are the Gaelic speakers who just left. So I replied to her and I said, "Dolina, my treasure, you married a Norwegian. You're gonna live forever." And then I got a vocabulary lesson. Yeah, so Dolina knew, do I have anybody else back here? Okay, guys, come on back on. Is Christine back there, or did she go out to, no, lovely. So, Dolina knew exactly what was going to happen at the moment of her death. She told me many, many times that she would instantly be on the western shore of North Uist. It would be nighttime. Stars would be shining, but no moon. And there would be a white ship at anchor waiting to take her into the west to be reunited with three of her sons, with her husband, Mikkelsen, with her parents, with her friends, and with her ancestors. And on October 30th, 2007, Dolina's ancestors finally forgave her. And I know that that white ship was waiting for her. This song is called Tìr nan, the Land of Youth. It was written by Reverend Dr. Kenneth MacLeod. Garden down, Gertraumen northern, Shettam downward surging stream is the mountain's poem. And each night I dream of Tìr nan. Neither death nor sorrow existed. High stars shine peacefully day and night. And the sound of pleasant streams rises from your woods. Tìr nan. The ship of my dreams rides the back of the waves. Fate moves her peacefully with the swiftness of a bird. White ship, don't leave me in misery on this side of the great ocean. The depth of suffering and love prepare me for Tìr nan. Het koelen down har barn och fröter föder magonos. Från deine gragar blåset fjunde blåsen join. Juri deina fat min ryggen lögnen kuanden nån. Gralgam